Hey y'all, this is Dave with The Bomb Smokes. Today we're doing an inside cook. We're going to make some Texas hash. My cousins Amy and Susan sent me there. Yeah, I'm finally getting around to making it. I'm sorry, Susan and Amy. But I only added 2 ingredients to that. Jalapeno peppers and bacon pieces. Other than that, everything else is the same. And I gotta say, it's a winner. So, y'all stay tuned for some Texas hash. Alright, now I've got about 4 slices of thick sliced bacon cut up into little pieces. We're going to go ahead and cook those first. We're going to cook this up till it's nice and crisp. Okay, now we're going to set these bacon pieces aside. You notice I've got them in a paper towel and a little bowl. And we're going to drain some of this bacon grease and use just a little bit to saute our onions. Okay, I've got a medium white onion here. You can use any kind of onion you want. You can use a yellow onion if you want to. Now we're going to saute these in this bacon grease until they're just about tender, translucent. Now these onions have been sauteing for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put in a teaspoon of chili powder. And then I've got about 2 jalapeno peppers chopped up, and it's going into here. And we're going to just kind of mix this around a little bit, get all these flavors going. All right, now the next thing we want to do, I have about 1.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. You can go leaner if you want to. And I'm going to add it to the jalapeno peppers and onion mixture. Now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of roasted garlic powder to this, because I like a lot of garlic. You can leave it out if you don't like it. I'm also going to sprinkle some coarse ground black pepper. I'm going to put in another teaspoon of chili powder, because we just want these flavors to get absorbed in the meat. And man, I'm telling you what, it is smelling so good in here. Now, I don't normally add a whole lot of salt to my cooking, but I'm going to add a little salt to this. All right, y'all, I've turned the heat down. I'm going to cover and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. In goes our 3rd teaspoon of chili powder. Okay. To this, we're going to add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I like the diced tomatoes, and these have basil, garlic, and oregano in them, so they'll be add a little bit more flavor to it. Pour that in there. And we're going to give this a good mix. Now I've got about 1.5 cups of uncooked rice. Remember now, we're going to bake this for 45 minutes, so you don't have to cook the rice. I'm going to mix this stuff up really good. I don't have a Dutch oven. It calls for a Dutch oven, but I've got this casserole dish, so that's what I'm going to put it in. Pour this mixture in here. I'm going to take this bacon and sprinkle it over the top of this. There we go. It's ready for the oven. I've got my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to take this cookie sheet, I'm going to cover it over, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. I'm doing a little survey here, and I want y'all's opinion. I've got 2 hats here. Hat number 1 and hat number 2. Okay, hat number 1. What do you think, folks? Pretty cool, huh? Well, it might not be cool on me. It might be cool on somebody else. Okay, that's hat number 1. Now, hat number 2. All right, y'all, so I want you to vote. Will it be hat number 1 or hat number 2? Give me your vote in the comments down below. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. All right, y'all, it's ready to come out the oven. But we ain't done yet. We're gonna one-up this, and we're gonna add some shredded cheddar cheese to the top of this. And we're gonna put it in the oven for another 20 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Look at that, will ya? Oh, just look at that. Oh, it's just a work of art. Oh yes. Doritos, nacho cheese crunched up on the top of that. Let's give this a try. With some Doritos.
Get your happy.
Man, that's good. I can't tell you how much I appreciate your support. All the people that watch my videos. I have a lot of fun making these videos. If you like the video, click the thumbs up button. You can click the thumbs down button if you didn't like it. It's all right. It's all right. But listen, God bless y'all, and take care and stay healthy. And until next time, be safe. Cheers, y'all.